Martha G, speaking of the updates, I'm excited for the Ash Waste reveal. Yes, yeah. Same here. I mean, like, man, I just hope, I just hope that they give us, like, imagine, like, this is the perfect setting, okay? Here, this is speculation, and I seriously doubt anybody from Games Workshop, especially the people who design and work on these models, I'm sure they don't pay attention to the crap I talk about. But anyway, what if, holy crap, okay, we get an assortment of, ash waste vehicles, human vehicles. We could also toss in the orc vehicles. Oh, orcs and humans versus each other out in the ash waste, or even racing against each other. Who knows, right? Maybe the Corsairs, Corsairs on jet bikes. Maybe we'll get special jet bikes for them, right? Things that are all doodadded up, right? With, shit, right? Dark Eldar, whatever, right? But what if this is the excuse, we finally get Genestealer cult limousines and cars? I mean, are you all seeing that? Are you seeing it? For God's sakes, people, are you seeing it?